The Titan frame and tile system also uses the common components that you saw in Titan Frameless walls. First, the core track goes in on the floor and at the wall start connections and the ceiling connections. After that, we begin the panel frame installation. Frames may come with electrical. Then, the tiles, as designed in your installation drawings, will show which tiles go where, in what pattern. The tiles come complete with insulation materials on the back side. After tiles are installed, the trims begin installation. So that would be a ceiling trim or a base trim. On the front frames, we have utilized glass tiles. They can be single tiles or they can be multiple tiles. Here we are displaying a 3 equal tile layout. Framed tiles can be glass, or framed tiles can be open. If you utilize dual glazed tiles, front and back, you will have better acoustics. After the tiles are installed, the doors are then installed. First, the sliding door tracks, and then the doors hang on those tracks and finish the installation. The next component of this video is to show a transformation of the wall space. Here we are removing a single floor-to-ceiling tile, putting in a lower tile, and then adding marker board tiles above the lower tile for the functionality needs of that space. So we have converted from a simple wall to a working wall with marker boards. Also, the central glazed tiles of the 3-tile layout can be removed, and a frost tile can be put in its place to provide visual privacy for the occupant. Again, this video is now showing the increase of acoustics by going to a second glazed tile instead of the open tiles for the office on the right.